wanted to make a video for something that will happen eventually over time. This pressure washer is a direct drive pressure washer, and what happened was there's a little valve right here, and it's called the, I guess, thermal relief valve, and it's pretty much a protection piece in place to protect the pump from overheating. Well, what had happened was this one started weeping on me as I was working, and it just happened. I didn't realize what was going on until I got back to the truck here. So water comes out of here, and from what I understand, this is just a protection piece in place, and eventually I think the seals will break, and then hot water will get dumped out through here so that cool water can flow through the pump. Now all that's telling me is I probably left off the trigger for too long, and that hot water was just recirculating because it's a direct drive. It's a little bit different than a belt driven system where you could hook up a hose to redirect the water, like when you take off the trigger, and then you'd be having a tank fill your pump and keep it cool for you. So anyway, very simple to take this off. All you needed was a crescent wrench and a couple turns, so I went and bought a new one of these here. It was $8, so not a big deal. And I'm gonna go put the thread sealant on and put this back in and see if the leak's gone. So I put the thread sealant on, got my wrench here, and go ahead and put this back on. Very simple. I won't be able to record and do it at the same time, so let me just go put this in and start her up, see if it's working. And so as you can see now, it's back in where it needs to be. It's tightened the way it needs to be, and it's facing down. And let me go start this baby up. But all you needed to do was a little crescent wrench and replace it. So we'll see if it works. And I went ahead and picked up another one because I'm finding out you should always have two of everything. Anyway, let me go start this up. And no more leaking. And this valve is dry, so problem solved. I think it was an $8 or $10 part, and just another thing to maintain. So not a big deal. And the next video I'll probably make is, because I already changed the oil, like the engine oil, I'm going to change the pump oil next, and a couple other things, just things that I'm running into that maybe it can help you, because this is all just maintenance on a machine, and if you put money into something, you better maintain it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.